All right, hi there. My name's Carm, and today we're going to look and see how we can use Jitterbit to integrate Salesforce with NetSuite in real time. We're going to do a customer creation process and then an opportunity to order process. Today we're starting with a new Salesforce.com instance. And then first I'll show you how we can migrate our existing data from NetSuite to Salesforce.com. So as you can see, brand new, no accounts here in our Salesforce org. And we're going to go over here to the Jitterbit platform. Now, this is the screen you'll see when you start up the application. This is the Jitterbit Studio Getting Started page. It includes an introduction video, as well as a quick start wizard. There's a few of them in here. And all the integrations are designed completely here in the Jitterbit Studio. It's available for both Mac and PC. And then the integration is actually run in either the Jitterbit multi-tenant cloud agent group or a local agent group. So here's the first process we're going to run. And it's just customer migration from our NetSuite org over to our Salesforce org. This is something that can be scheduled, but today we're going to go ahead and just execute this manually. As you can see down here, you can see the status of your operation running. And then once our customer data has synced, we're also going to need products to complete the orders. So the next operation we're going to run after, this one's going to do just exactly that. And this is a multi-step process. We're able to take our materials from NetSuite and insert them into Salesforce, along with the appropriate pricing information into our price book. Again, this is something that can be set to run on a schedule, but today we're going to go ahead and do it manually. So this could be something that's done once a week, once a day, once a month, once an hour. All right, so this is completed. So first thing we'll do is we'll go over here. And now we should see our accounts here in Salesforce. And when we open one of these accounts, you can see the information that migrated over from NetSuite, including the NetSuite account ID. So all of our information that's in our NetSuite org is now over in Salesforce. And now that our account data is migrated, our CSRs can begin using Salesforce to enter new accounts. We'll go ahead and create one here and go back over to our account page. And go ahead and make a new customer. Put in a number here. All right, we'll put in an address in here too. Save that. And now, in order to send this account to NetSuite, all I have to do is click the Jitterbit to NetSuite button. This is going to trigger a Salesforce workflow rule and an outbound message that will send the account back to NetSuite through Jitterbit. So let me go ahead and do that. And then if I click refresh, you'll see that just after a matter of seconds, our NetSuite account ID is now properly populated. Let's get back over to our NetSuite org here. And go to our customer overview. Oh, okay, we're still sorted here alphabetically, so recently created. So here's Will's widgets here. And if we look into the account, excuse me, we can see that all of our information that's in Salesforce is now populated into our NetSuite org as well. And now that our data is synced, we have everything we need to go ahead and create opportunities and orders. So let's go ahead and do that next. And create a new opportunity here. It's going to be a big deal. And we're going to put it in the proposal price quote stage right now. Give it a close date 2 weeks out. And then once our opportunity is created, we're going to go ahead and add some products to it. So I've got some Netsuite items in here for this demo. I'll just throw these in here. All right, so we'll select all these, and we're going to go ahead and put the quantities in. All righty. All right, now we have a full opportunity with a quoted amount. All right, let's go ahead and assume that our quote's been accepted. All right, let's save this. Now, by saving this as closed one, it's going to trigger another Salesforce workflow rule and outbound message, which will allow Jitterbit to capture the opportunity data and then use that information to create a new order in NetSuite. Once done, Jitterbit will then call back to Salesforce and update our opportunity. So as we refresh our opportunity here, we can see that our NetSuite order information has been completed and we'll have a valid order number. Let's go ahead and do that. Great. So as you can see here, we got a NetSuite sales order. We're going to copy that because we're going to use that later. We have a tracking number. We can even click the link here and check on the delivery status right in the Salesforce org. So let's go back into NetSuite now. Close this. We don't need the tracking information. We're going to go to Opportunities. And let's search for it here. All right, now here's our order with the individual line items. And once our order is created in NetSuite, Jitterbit also creates an order in Salesforce and links it back to the account. So let's go back over to Salesforce now. If we click into Will's widgets here, we can also see our order. Now with the Jitterbit Harmony platform, you can view the status of your projects from any browser, any device. All you got to do, if you have a browser, you can do it. Just visit the Web Management Console here. And once this loads, we'll be able to see all of our operations that have run and their status. Let's give it a second here to load. So here's our activity. We can see how many operations have run, how many have succeeded. We'll click into today. And I can easily refresh to get the latest updates. We can monitor our product synchronization right from here. And we can see that all the operations have successfully ran today. You can also see that I've ran the demo a couple times today as well. So that's it for the NetSuite to Salesforce demo. Once again, my name's Carm. Thanks for watching.